Is black tourmaline a good protection crystal? Abso-friggin-lutely. But I wouldn't use it for all forms of energetic protection. Where it is really good is it's good for helping to remove unwanted things out of your life. Now you can see that with raw tourmaline, you can see the striations and how it grows. And I want you to think about it as it pushes things away, almost as though it's like a bodyguard, clearing things away from your path. So whereas maybe black obsidian is really good for aggressive and violent and fiery energies, and onyx might be great for things that you're unaware of, things that come up in your life that you just want to kind of push to the side, black tourmaline can be really, really great for that. Now, how would we use it for protection? Well, you can wear a piece like I've got on my pendant here, or carrying it, and you should find throughout your day things that are kind of threatened to, stir up your day or get in the way, kind of get pushed to the side. Another thing I really love to do is I love to pop little bits of this, maybe not this big, around your front door or wherever you come in after a day. I'm sure you've got home at the end of the day, or you've heard someone else come home at the end of the day and like, oh, I'm about to pay for the bad day they just had. Well, having black tourmaline almost is like the bodyguard at the front door. And you can do this consciously, and anyone else in your house that is spiritually mindful can do this as well. Kind of pause when you get to your front door, and as you walk through, just go, I'm not bringing the bad day and the bad things that happened to me into my household. You see, one of the things that this is really great for is for protecting your own peace. And there's a lot of things that happen throughout the day, especially in this greater connected world with the internet and so on, where often we feel over concerned or dragged down, or especially if you're an empath, you take on the energy of other people, where it's almost as though, you can't change it. You just take on that energy. And when that threatens you, and if you find that that's happening to you a lot at the moment, then this is a really great time to work with black tourmaline. So next time you need protection and things have pushed off your path that you don't need to deal with because A, it's none of your concern, or B, it's not worthy of your concern, then reach for your black tourmaline. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Adam Barralet. Blessed be.